Welcome to your Pilates for Beginners Level 1. The same again, breathing in as you exhale, float the arms up, all the way over in a straight line. Reach through those fingers, keep that connection to your center, and then arms up and all the way back down. All right, from there, we're going to come into spine curls. So with the spine curl, remember you're going to make sure that your heels are in towards your bum. So not way out here, less stable. So bring the heels in, especially if you're new, that'll give you that extra support till you develop that strength. As you exhale, you're going to flatten that back. So the move we did at the start, and then you're just going to wheel your spine up, tips of the shoulder blade, take a breath in there, and then as you exhale, soften from the top of that breastbone, and then you're going to wheel the spine. So think of the pubic bone facing you. You're going to wheel the spine down piece by piece, and then you're going to come back into your nice neutral position. So let's do 2 more. Exhale, wheeling up, breath in, and then wheeling back down. You're going to connect that center. Imagine that center is pulling back as your pelvis rolls in the opposite direction. So you're lengthening around the side of the body, obliques and your abs are working here, the center. Exhale, bring yourself back. The top foot roll, so don't be afraid to let that top foot come off the mat. Same thing, other side. So elbows nice and wide. You're going to lift your head off the mat, drop your chin to your chest, and then wheel through the spine. Really just come into the tips of those shoulder blades, and you're going to exhale and bring yourself all the way back down. And then just beating the arms. So you're looking to keep the spine nice, stable, holding through your center, reaching through the fingers. So again, pulling yourself up through your core, not through the neck. Keep nice and soft. Just try and coordinate. It takes a while to come. This is the mindfulness part. Good. We're going to come onto our side for Oyster. So the back of your body should be in one line with your mat, and then you're going to come in to your little Oyster. So exhaling to open through the hips, so rotate open, press the inner edges of the feet. So you're lengthened from the hip here, and you're just coming into lift and lowers. So again, think of still keeping that waist. We're always keeping that waist lifted underneath us towards the ceiling. Press down into this arm and then rotate by opening your ribs. So it's not the arm moving, it's just the ribs opening towards the ceiling, towards the sky, and then closing down. You're lengthened on both sides of the waist. And then press up, so lift up from your underneath waist here. And you can have your hand here. If you need extra support, have your hand here. Press deep into that forearm as you're out of your shoulder. And then try and enjoy it. Coming from there into a nice little 4-point kneeling position. So knees under your hips, wrists under your shoulders, into that little tabletop. Lift the heart away from the mat. So no sinking here. You're going to lift the ribs in as you exhale. Draw that tailbone underneath you. Round through your spine. Enjoy it. Nice stretch. And you are done with your beginner's level 1.